Hello, and welcome to the second uRTcmix tutorial, the RTcmix computer music language inside the Unity game and VR development environment. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about repeating scripts. RTcmix allows you to do that using a special instrument called MAXBANG. It's developed inside the MAXMSP computer music environment. A bang is a way to trigger a script, and the MAXBANG instrument generates a bang. You can actually have the bang re-trigger the script it came from so that it can continue indefinitely. A very useful thing for something with an open-ended scene, perhaps, like Unity. So let's go and we'll get set up. This is a fairly short tutorial, so we'll just repeat what we did in our first one in terms of setting things up. Bring our package down into our assets. Import everything. We'll get our nice little warning message down here. It says Unsafe Code requires the unsafe command line option. No, we're not going to steal your bitcoins. Turns out we could have made this a part of the package, but it might have broken some compiler flags on other projects. So we decided to have you set it by hand. Just go to your player project settings, scroll down, and click the Allow Unsafe Code. So now we're all set. All right, let's set up our environment here. Wait for the error to clear. Go into our uRTcmix prefabs, and we'll find our RTcmix main object, pull it up into our game object hierarchy. Now we're ready to go. Let's work with the beep prefab again. That's that very simple thing that just generates an 8.7 second long beep when we play the scene. In fact, let's just verify that it's working. Hit play. There's our beep. Okay, now we're going to modify this beep so that it makes a very short beep. Then we'll just have it repeat over and over again. So let's go to our scripts and open up the beep C# script that makes it go. And there we've got all the things that allow it to work. There's our wavetable. Right now it's set to 8.7 seconds. Let's make it be only a half a second. Okay, so now if we play our beep, we'll get a very short beep when we start up the script. Here we go. Yep, over and over again. It's not a very useful thing, but let's make it a little bit more useful. Go back to our beep script. And now we're going to add a bit more to the score that we're sending here. We're going to say MAXBANG, and MAXBANG takes only one argument. How much time in seconds in the future do you want to schedule a bang? Well, our beep is a half a second long. Let's make this be 1 second in the future. Now down here where we're computing sound, we need to check to see if a bang was generated. So we'll say if RTcmix, dot check bang RTcmix, optional, because we're working with this object. If that is equal to 1, that means a bang has occurred and we want to do something. Well, the thing we want to do is basically just send that score again, along with the MAXBANG. So every time there's a bang, it'll generate a 0.5 second note, then schedule another bang 1 second from then. So this will repeat over and over again. Let's go in, save everything, wait for it to compile. And now when we start up, we should hear bangs, the beeps over and over again. And that'll go as long as we're generating the bangs. So again, this is very useful. We'll be making use of it in future RTcmix tutorials. And for now, we'll say goodbye and wait till the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.